Great location, beauty and comfort define this home. 4-bedroom, 2 masters, 3.5 bath, new construction within 5 minutes walk to Daffin Park. You'll find convenient and enjoyable the open floor plan, spacious great room with a fireplace, dining area, inviting gourmet kitchen with black stainless steel appliances, farm sink and bespoke fridge, magnificent island with an extra cabinet storage, quartz countertops, spacious pantry, double masters, one on the main and one upstairs with a tray ceiling and a balcony. Ensuite tiled bathrooms will put you in awe. Downstairs has a top-of-the-line jacuzzi, upstairs master has a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and extra massaging sprayers. All 3 bathrooms are equipped with double vanities and modern toilets. Each room has a double closet with plenty of storage. Privacy fence, double car driveway. Comfortable living close to major shopping, restaurants, hospitals, universities, minutes from Truman and downtown. Seller is a GA licensee.